What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best double-sided printer for home. If you run a business, then the first thing that you need to prepare your documents is a printer. Buying a printer may sound easy. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 double-sided printer. Number 1. HP LaserJet Pro M404dn double-sided printer for home. This model of HP is the best double-sided printer for home and office use. You will get high-quality documents for professional use. This is designed to increase your focus on your business. Your documents will be fully safe and secure with this printer. This printer helps to ensure the safety of your sensitive data and helps to protect your laser printer from being an entry point for attacks. This will reduce the cost of ink. This is the most efficient printer. This can print up to 40 pages per minute. Number 2. Brother HL-L2350DW double-sided printer for home. The HL-L2350DW is another of their top-notch products that get the job done correctly when it comes to printing labels. The Brother HL-L2350DW is another printer that caught our eye. To begin with, this one is super easy to use. The black and white only printer also features a unique two-sided printing mechanism along with fast printing speed. Finally, the product comes with the Brother TN760 toner. It will last you 3,000 pages with ease. Number 3. HP Officejet Pro 9015 double-sided printer for home. If you are planning to upgrade your office equipment to get a more efficient work environment, you should start it by changing your print. This model is the suitable one for running your work smoothly. You will get a 22-page printer per minute. You can control this wireless HP printer through an app. You can get the app from the Play Store and install this on your mobile. This printer does basic encryptions, password protection. The HP two-sided printer has Wi-Fi connectivity. Number 4. Brother HLL-2395DW double-sided printer for home. Presenting the HLL-2395DW flatbed laser printer from Brother, one of the most unique products on our list. The speed and efficiency of the printer are incredible. It can print up to 36 pages per minute. So printing and processing is no hassle at all. You can store papers of multiple types in the same drawer, and it'll adjust accordingly. In case you find the screen hard to use, the connection still is hassle-free. With NFC support, simply tap your phone, and the print will start. Number 5. Brother HL-L2300D Double-Sided Printer for Home. If the printing quality is not good, the printer is not worth it. This latest model of Brother printer is known for its high resolution. One of the best features of this printer is its speed. It can print up to 27 pages per minute on basic settings. The printer doesn't have a wireless connection feature, so you need to connect it to your computer via USB. The printer comes with a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer. The printer here is Windows 10 compatible.